Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for Happy Mail unboxing. This is for my birthday challenge giveaway and we are kicking it off with our first entry. Super excited to share this with you guys. You still have time to join. The giveaway ends on March 31st and you have two ways to join. I will be picking two random winners. You can create a video response or send me mini Happy Mail, and I will enter you automatically to the giveaway after that. Now, if any of the mailed entries will also receive mini mail from me in the form of either a flip tag, a flip book, a mini junk journal, or a mini pocket letter. So it's going to be a complete surprise of what you will get, but you'll definitely get some mini mail from me. So this Happy Mail comes from BB from BB's Closet Creations, and I love hearing from her and reading her comments. She's very enthusiastic and very supportive, and I love supporting other creators here on YouTube. So make sure to check out her channel. She loves journaling. I love seeing how she works on her junk journal. Recently she also unboxed Your Creative Studios a new box. I think it was for February. I'll put her links down in the description box. Let's have a look and see what she sent. Okay, let me just put that aside. And we have it wrapped here. What did she make? Oh, hold on. Look at this. So we have a little note. Let me just read that off camera. Look at this beautiful creation. Thanks so much for that note, BB. Thank you so much for sending this. Just by looking at this, I already love it. Look at the color of this closure here. Love teal. So let us look and see what she has made. I love the stamping. Is that stamping she did? We have some adorable pockets, and I spy some minis over here. Check out these mini envelopes. How adorable. They have little feathers, and I love these. And it looks like we have some cute stickers. I love these stickers. And a cute tag. That is adorable. More of the stickers. Oh, that is so sweet. Thank you for including these. Use that in my planner. And look at this beautiful cover. She has stitched it. Let's look at the back. More goodies back here. We'll get to that in just a few. I've never seen a paper clip like this. It is a little puzzle piece. I love that look. Love the way she's layered this, and I think this is a brad. Love that touch. Let's have a look. Ooh, how adorable. Oh my goodness, BB, this is so pretty. I love it. It says dream, and look at that. I love the stitching on the cover. Look at that. That is such a pretty palette. These are all my favorite colors. I love it. It's an adorable micro junk journal. Oh, look, she also created a little pocket here. We can see that it's been distressed. How adorable is this? And this says peace in spring. How cute. I love it. I did say I like a spring theme, vintage junk journal style. Wow, BB, this is so adorable. We have a tag here. Super cute. Let's see what this is. I see another page. We have some stamping, a little date. Love the floral on that. I love it. I love miniature things, and this is definitely going to be my cute little journal. More of the stamping, and I love the words she picked. Dream, hope, and we have more on the back here, and it says imagine. I love that. How cute is that? And that's what the back looks like. But she has really included a lot of cute items in here. She's included some fabric, beautiful fabric pattern here. I love that. And look at this pocket with the doily. Some minis in here. Let's have a look. Excuse the band-aid look on my hand. All the hand washing and forgetting to hydrate kind of cracked the skin there. TMI. Anyway, we have some beautiful lace. That is so pretty. More of that beautiful stamping with some words, some butterflies, and some flowers. This is too cute. Don't forget to stop and smell the roses. That is so true. And look at this beautiful ticket. I love it. So BB's channel, she has been doing a lot of junk journaling and also unboxing. I think recently she unboxed Your Creative Studios box, and I really enjoyed that. So I'll put her link below if you'd like to check it out. So pretty, BB. And then, oh, she's included some stickers, and I love that this has a vintage feel to it. Look at these pockets. That is so neat. I love that. And I love that she's distressed that. And more stitching. Really pretty. Alright, I see a little fun fact card that I will put aside and read. So I did say if you do send me mail in your card to include a few fun fact things, because I am planning to have a little box with my memory decks where I'll pick a name and it's going to be rack mail, so I'm going to be sending it randomly. So if you get picked, I'll email you and let you know that I am sending out mail. But look at this beautiful pocket with some floral page. That is so pretty. Some extra buttons. Jacqueline Smith, how cute. Oh, how nice. Butterfly little journal card. I love it. And I think it's laminated. That's so pretty. And we have more. I love that she reused envelopes. I'm the same way. I find a tag. These usually hold the buttons for clothing. I love reusing envelopes like these. These are perfect for mini mail. And she's included more of these cute little printouts. And you can, they have an adhesive behind it. And it says spring. Love is in the air. Smell the flowers. Love is in the air. And we have some of these beautiful floral vellum stickers. There is more. Oh my goodness. So we have more tucked in here. Wow. Oh, how cute. These are vintage playing cards. I love the butterfly theme. That is so spring. Thank you. That is so adorable. And some washi samples. What Happy Mail would not be complete without sharing some of our washi. And what a great way to package a sample. It looks like a die cut, and she's wrapped the sample on it on some, this might be acetate, but I really love that. Thank you. And let's see, there is, I know there was one more thing behind our pocket here. A few more pockets, and I really love this format. So cute. Here we have a few more of these mini envelopes. I love it. Super cute. Look at that. And more of these adorable drink stickers. And it looks like we have one more. What a cute pocket. I love the way she distressed it and added some of this stamping here. Let's see what's in here. I see stickers, some floral stickers. That is so cute. And a wonderful card with some wonderful sentiments. Wish, one of my favorite words. I love that. BB, you did so great. I love your entry. Thank you so much for kicking off my birthday challenge with this beautiful Happy Mail. I am excited to start journaling in this mini junk journal. And I will be messaging you soon once I have sent out your mini Happy Mail. So guys, thanks again for watching. If you would like to join the giveaway, you still have time. I'll put the link right at the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thanks again for watching Clarissa Corner. See you next time.